Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start with Trello. So the first thing that you need to do is just go and log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create a new one. If it's the first time you are going to Trello.com, of course, you'll need to go there. You can log in if you have an account, as you said, or if you don't have an account, click on Get Started. You can use as an example a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account if you have one of those. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. First, if you don't have a workspace, you'll need to go and create a workspace, first of all. And as you can see in here, so normally they should start with a workspace for you, but of course you can go and create like a workspace whenever you want. So once you create a workspace, as an example, it should be empty. Like let's say, as an example, this one. So it should be empty. It should not have all those stuff. What you'll need to do is simply start creating some boards. So if you go, as example, in here in boards, you'll find an example for me. I have here some multiple boards, but for you, you will need to go and create some boards, example, and invite even team members first of all, if you don't have some team members. So to do so, if you go here to this list panel and click on members, here's an example. You'll find I am the only member here. I have 7 boards in this workspace. And of course, I can start inviting members. Example, you can click here on invite workspace members. You can invite them either by the email, as example. I don't know, maybe someone is using this email, so test@gmail.com. Let's say someone is using it. So as you can see, you can simply click on it and click on send an invite, and you can even send a message with it. Or you can simply invite with link, copy this link and send it to whoever you want to invite and join you in your workspace. Now, once you have your members ready, you can go to boards and start creating some boards. So, an example here, I'm just going to click on create a new board, choose a background as an example, give it a title. So I'm just going to click on hi, click on create or enter button, and here you can simply start creating your tasks, your to-do list, your everything that you want. You'll be able to do some automations, some power-ups, and yeah, that's how basically you use Trello. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.